Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up sponsorships using FameBit on YouTube. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up sponsorships using FameBit on YouTube, begin by visiting the FameBit website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log into your FameBit account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Create Campaigns section. Select YouTube as your preferred platform for sponsorships. Fill in the details of your campaign, including the title and description. Specify the type of content you want to create for the sponsorship. Set your budget and payment terms for the collaboration. Choose the target audience you wish to reach with your campaign. Indicate any specific requirements or guidelines for potential sponsors. Review your campaign details for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, submit your campaign for approval. Wait for FameBit to match your campaign with suitable brands. When a brand expresses interest, you will receive a notification. Review the brand's proposal and negotiation terms. Communicate with the brand through the FameBit messaging system to clarify any details. Once both parties agree on the terms, proceed with signing the contract. After the agreement, plan your content creation according to the campaign guidelines. Make sure to disclose that the content is sponsored when you publish the video. Upload your video to YouTube, ensuring it meets all platform requirements. Monitor the performance of your video and the campaign's engagement metrics. Finally, provide feedback to FameBit about your experience once the campaign is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.